What's up everybody? Today I'll be making a classic caramel flan. It's a very simple, low-key recipe, but it's delicious. You'll have perfect results if you follow the steps and do it correctly. First up, you'll be needing a few tools. You'll be needing a whisk, you'll need a rubber spatula, a mixing bowl, you'll need a pot with a warming element, you'll need a pan to put your flan in, and also you need another pan where you can put water in here, and then you'll pop your flan in there to bake in the oven. And that's basically all the tools you'll be needing. You'll also be needing the ingredients, which will be milk, condensed milk, eggs, vanilla, and for the caramel, you'll be needing water and white sugar, granulated sugar. And that's basically everything you'll be needing. And let's begin. For the first step, you'll be making your caramel for the caramel flan. You'll add water and sugar to your pan, and your pan is set at medium, and you'll let that go. The whole goal here is to create a caramel, and it'll take a bit. You'll have to keep your eye on it because it'll start changing color pretty quick. So as you can see, the water and sugar has come together, the sugar has melted, and the whole goal here now is to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. You want it to be an amber color, and as soon as it hits that color, you need to take it off the heat. So now it's just starting to change color. It's exactly what you're looking for. Let it go a little bit more, and then you'll take it off and you'll transfer it into the pan that you'll be baking your flan in. So there you go. This is the color you're looking for. Wonderful amber color, and then you're going to transfer it into the pan that you're going to be baking your flan in. You let that go all around the bottom. Beautiful. It coats the bottom of the pan, like so. So now as you can see, the caramel is set in the bottom of my pan, and I'll place it in the other pan. Now we'll take all of my ingredients. First up, I'll add my eggs in here. Whisk this together. You want to whisk this pretty good. I'll add my vanilla. I'll add my condensed milk. Get all that out of there. Whisk that through. I'll add my whole milk now. Add that in there. Next up, I'll transfer it to the pan. So now I'll transfer my flan mixture into the pan. And a good way to get a deliciously smooth flan is to add it through a strainer before you add it in there. So you get all of that egg whites out of there. The next step, which is very important, you'll add some hot water into the pan, the second pan. And you just want to go about halfway up the side of the pan where the flan is. And that's it. You'll pop it in the oven at 350 between 50 minutes to 60 minutes, and you'll have a beautiful flan. So our flan is finished. It has a nice little jiggle in the center, but it's firm. And that's what you're looking for in your flan. So we'll let this sit at room temperature for about a half an hour, then we'll unmold. So now my flan has cooled. I'll now invert it onto a plate. So I'll do it like that. So So again, thank you for watching. Please make this amazingly simple flan recipe. And again, please like my video, please subscribe, and thank you.